big enough. Ooh, all right. Birthday girl got a fish.
I think you got a gar too.
But maybe it'll be small enough we can actually fit it in the cooler and Matt can have his gar balls.
I know that. It's exactly
Woo!
my fight. That's it might be a gar. That's it might be a gar.
Oh, it's so much. Oh, it's so much.
Remember when we used to take you out for the big redfish?
Uh-huh.
And you come in and your belly button was black.
Yeah, it's gonna be black today. What is it?
I see. It's a gar.
Oh, that's a red. That's a red.
Oh.
It looks like a red. Oh yeah, that's a keeper right there. Woo!
Good job.
Yeah.
Oh, Mama, hit the button.
I see a dot. I see a dot.
That
Here.
thing was
Here, get it up.
taking more drag than I expected to.
Yep.
Woo!
We're catching big.
That's not, I don't really use
Go,
it.
1, 2, 3. You're holding this. There you go. 1, 2, 3. All right. That's a big one.
Open it up. Open the ice chest up.
Can't handle
Open
that.
the ice. Other side. Other side.
Where's the net?
Bye, Donnie, I think.
You need a net, buddy? Stop eating.
Where's the net?
Where is the net?
Right here.
Bro!
Here, man.
Is it?
What is it, buddy? Ooh, it looks good.
Okay, we got this. I think it's gonna be a good redfish.
Oh! I see a redfish, I think.
I don't know that it's gonna make the cooler, but it's a good redfish.
Get it over here, buddy. Ah!
No, I think it's kind of bad.
It's okay. Who are you, Hunter? Yeah. All right. Get up. Get down.
You better not be a baby. You swear.
There.
What's it gonna be? 18 inches?
It's gonna be close. I bet it's gonna be.
Where is your hook? Do you know where your hook is in this very second?
Come on. Come on. Pick it up.
It don't matter.
Come on. Let me see.
No, it don't
Hey.
matter.
Yeah, there you go. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Hold it up. Hold it up. Oh, it's got a bunch of dots. Just hold it
Well,
straight.
you in the lottery on
Just hold it straight.
Only got
There you
one
go.
dot.
Yeah, boy.
Hey, what does it mean if it has to?
You wanna let it go?
That your winner
Let it go.
chicken dinner. You won the lottery.
What is that?
Woo! Put it in the water.
Lottery.
What is
You won.
All right. There he goes.
If there was a poker hand,
There he
you
goes.
would have won. You had the best hand.
Hey, there you go, Hunter. What's up?
Hey, Hunter, we're keeping dog
It's
count.
all right.
yours is it's just like nibble.
It was jiggling.
Wait for it. Oh, God. There's a good one.
Okay, net. Here.
Here, take it, take it, take it, take it. Oh, my gosh. You ready? You ready?
Don't let go of it. Don't let go of it.
Reel.
There it goes, Don.
Woo!
Whatever, it doesn't matter.
Get out of the way. It's a netter for sure.
Is it taking drag?
He's probably getting nowhere with it.
It'll probably be a big ass gar.
Yeah, I can't actually
You're gonna have to walk over.
Take it, good job.
Woo!
Hey, Matt, get him over the motor.
Hey, come on. Come over here. Walk over here, buddy. Are you getting anywhere with it? You're not about to get spooled, are you? Hey, pick your rod up. Pick your rod up. Woo!
Yeah.
You getting anywhere?
Yes.
Yeah, boy.
I just
Slow down. Hey,
Slow down.
don't let him have any slack. Pliers, anybody?
pliers.
Woo!
I think we actually might need to use a net.
You think it's a?
Never mind.
I don't know. That was fine.
It should have topped the water by now.
If it were a gar, yeah. Hey, don't let it have any slack, dude. When you wait, there you go. You got it. Woo, boy. You got a net or you want me to net it?
Just wait and see who's the closest.
I think you are. I'm playing cameraman. Hey, when you're getting it, you're letting it have too much slack, Bubba. When you go down, reel when you go down. Come on, come on,
Back here.
come on. It's getting shallow. We're about to see it.
Hunter, get on the
Oh yeah.
Be out of the way right there, Hunter, okay?
Hold that rod up in the air, buddy. Up in the air.
Yeah.
Woo, boy.
Wait.
Fight it, baby. Fight it.
I think it's a gun.
It's not fighting like a gar, Bubba.
Hunter, his daddy's recording.
I think I can't handle it.
You You want
No,
Daddy-
you can.
Daddy to reel
No,
them
you
off?
got it, Bubba. Come on.
Can I reel it? No! Handle it? No.
You got it. Keep fighting it. Come on.
This is going to
It
take
just,
like
it
an
just
hour.
took back about everything he brought in.
Woo, this is exciting, Bubba.
Can I try? No!
Hey, slow down.
I can't.
Was that supposed to be yours, Mama, or what? What happened, birthday girl?
Keep reeling.
Hey, when you go down, you gotta keep
You
reeling.
got real harder when you go down.
Dude, slow down on your pumps. Slow down on your pumps. You're gonna rip his lip. Here we go. Hey, easy, 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 easy. He's here. He's here.
Hey, let's see that. Let's
Come on.
see the big old skate.
Oh my God, it's a big old gar. Woo!
It's a gar! It's a gar!
Oh man.
No, no way.
Oh, we can get it to the
It's
boat.
like as big as me.
Dude, keep going.
It's like as big as me.
Hold
Huh?
it up in the air now. You gotta keep that rod up in the
It's
air.
as big as me. Kind of. Like as big as my legs.
Huh?
We're probably not gonna put him in the net. We'll get him to the boat. We'll try to get a
I think this is
picture or something.
If he goes in that net, we'll have to go back and get a new net. I'm just telling you.
Yeah, I saw it. It was big.
You want to try to mess with a gar?
Oh, was it a gar? I thought it was a
It's a
red.
big
No, it's
gar.
a gar. If it was a redfish, I'd be jumping in there trying to net it.
Go to the
It's
shallow.
a huge gar.
Yeah.
And
Hey, come up, stand in front of Donnie here.
if you want to get him in the boat,
Oh,
keep
it's
him.
right
Here, bring it over here. Bring it over here. There you go. Here we go. Oh, it's an alligator. Real.
Y'all really
Real.
want that in the boat?
No.
Let's,
I
hey,
think we want that in the
here.
boat.
You videotape. If,
I want to.
no, let Mommy videotape. Come over here. Come
There
on.
he is.
Help
Get
us.
it, get it.
Let me pull him up over here, and then you get over. Get over here. Oh, there he goes. Yeah, that's okay. We don't want to put that
Very
thing in the
good.
boat.
Very good. Bump, bump, bump.
Look at that. They ain't gonna look that pretty here in a little bit after the cooler. Oh, we gotta measure it.
Yeah, but
Oh, we can't
17
keep it.
usually, almost 18, 17.
I'm so glad we're in this
Oh, yeah.
spot.
Well, how long do they have to be again?
15. 17 and 3/4. Heck yeah. Why can't birthday girl
And
catch a flounder?
He is meaty.
Is it taking drag?
It is now.
You got it all on top and around and in and out of the net of the anchor.
What can I do?
Who's got the rod? What the hell? Somebody.
I'm trying to move.
I don't know if it's off, Donnie. I really don't know if it's off.
It's still on there.
Come
Get
here,
it.
Peyton, Peyton,
Let him
come
hold it.
No, just get it up and get it in the net. That's a good flounder.
No, it is.
It's taking drag still.
Oh, that's.
It's taking drag?
It's huge. It's a good
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Come here, Peyton. Get on the other side.
Peyton.
Get on the other side of me.
Oh my God. Woo!
A stingray.
Now I've got one taking drag.
Do you really? There goes Uncle Donnie. Holy crap. Who was reeling that one in, Hunter?
Peyton, no, Peyton.
Peyton?
Oh my gosh.
This will be another big ass wall.
We
Don.
need to get this out of the
Here,
net. We need to
Bubba,
get this out of
hold this over here. Move.
Redfish, it'll be nice, but I got a feeling.
Peyton, Hunter, just
Woo!
release your button.
I got this,
Release the button.
hang on, we'll
Now go.
oh my
God,
God,
this
this
is
is
a
a
good
good 20-incher right here. Oh man. Donnie.
You better not get it. Oh!
Holy crap. It's another one.
I
Well,
didn't know.
is it a, oh, that was cool.
That's bigger than the other one. What are we doing?
Do you want it or not?
Yeah, shoot.
Mommy, while you're looking,
Get the tail.
Too big for this thing.
Get the tail in.
Get it in
Get the tail
Get
in.
him in there and
I'm
grab
hooked,
his tail.
I'm dragged on.
Now you're caught in the net.
Give me my fish grips. I'll get him with that. In my pocket. Oh, I got his tail, boy. Come on, open your mouth.
I think that's gonna make it fall out.
No, it won't.
See, I knew it.
That's all right.
That's okay, cook. Yeah, that's.
Look, Hunter.
Look at that 20-inch flounder. Hard to see in there right now. But cool.
I'm gonna grab that net just in case that ends up being a really flat fish. Yeah. Flounder might feel heavy. Yeah.
Oh, get it.
He got the flounder!
I'm excited.
He got his flounder!
Woo!
I did it!
I'm gonna try. Maybe I don't go as far out.
All right. What'd you get? What'd you get?
No, it's a red!
Is it a red?
Get it in the boat.
It's a rainbow fish! It's a rainbow fish! It's a rainbow fish!
What is that?
It's a trout!
All right, it's a sand trout.
Okay.
Barely caught. Good, look.
Oh my god!
You're tearing it up. Keep going.
Get back out there. Catch it.
Don't do that.
Oh yeah.
It's a rope.
Woo! Yeah. Woo! Put it back in the water. Woo!
Get your friends back in the water! Okay, no leaving! Right this second, no leaving!
Well, I say that every time I say we're fixing to leave, what happens?
We catch a fish.
You gotta help me get that back out. Yeah, well, big enough for you.
What about this one?
Me? Well, take
Pick it up.
this. Hey, what is the length of those, Donnie?
Hey, show me. Put it in the camera. Put it up in the camera's face.
Slow.
Let me see the dots.
Stay away from me. Oh,
What'd you get? What'd you get, buddy?
Bro. Wait, what is it?
It's a hard head. Get it over here. Catfish. Look, put it up here.
It's not a
Hard head. Get it in, buddy. Let's take it off. Woo!
You want to take it in?
Hunter,
Now, out of the boat.
what's up, dude?
What's up?
Yeah, boy. Hunter, babe. Mama.